With the Cherrie and Zach McReynolds team at nexthome Real Estate Rockstars, and I want to invite you to my newest listing located at 1127 East Del Mar Boulevard, Unit 437 in Pasadena, where we're just minutes away from great entertainment, shopping, restaurants, and so much more in Old Town Pasadena. We are a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, 850 square feet, a gorgeous living space, fully remodeled, with a mountain view from the balcony and a secured community. Please come check it out. Can't wait.